Amundson's class? 3.6, adding and subtracting fractions, can you?
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Everybody ready?
Yes.
All right, here we go. Fractions, they're part of what number?
One whole.
One whole, right? What's the top number of a fraction called?
Numerator.
Bottom number is called a?
Denominator.
Ooh, big deal here. What is the first thing you always look at when you're adding or subtracting fractions?
Denominator.
So you're always looking at the denominator when adding or subtracting fractions, right?
Yes.
What must you have anytime you add or subtract fractions?
Common denominator.
Say that again.
Common denominator.
What's another name for common denominator?
Like denominator.
Nice. All right, here we go. 1/7 plus 3/7. Why don't I have bubbles here? Why do I not have any bubbles? The denominators are the exact same, right? So can I just add the numerators then?
Yes.
What's 1 plus 3?
4.
Do I add the denominators?
No.
No, you never add or subtract the denominators. You just keep them the same. And here's the proof. Someone ate 1/7 of a candy bar. That much, right?
Yes.
Someone else ate 3/7 of a candy bar, which would be 1, 2, that much, right?
Yes.
All together, how much of the candy bar is gone?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Can you use pictures to help you do math?
Yes.
It's actually a great strategy. All right, why? Okay, I don't get this. Denominators are the same, yes?
Yes.
So I subtracted 9 and 3 and I got 6, yes?
Yes.
Why is my answer 1/2?
Because simplify it.
You have to simplify, right? And these numbers we use to simplify are called what?
Factors.
Yes, factors. Best class so far at that. Factors. Good job. All right, now this guy right here, we had 2/5 and we were adding 1/7, yes?
Yes.
What do you notice about the denominators?
They're not the same.
Same. So do we need to find common denominators?
Yes.
What does 5 and 7 have as a common denominator?
35.
So I go below my fractions and I write down 35 2 times, right?
Yes.
Because 35 is a multiple of those two numbers, yes?
Yes.
Okay, so then after I write my common denominator, I make
Bubble.
and I make a second bubble, right?
Yes.
How do we get from 5 to 35? What do we multiply by?
7.
So do I put that in the bubble?
Yes.
And do I put that at the top of my bubble as well?
Yes.
And 2 times 7 gives me my numerator then, yes?
Yes.
How do I get from 7 to 35?
5.
Bottom and top?
Yes.
What's 1 times 5?
5.
Do I have common denominators now?
Yes.
Just add the numerators?
Yes.
You guys cool?
Yes.
Why am I rewriting that again? You can't do it. Well, you can't do it that way. Mr. Ponch says you can't do it that way. We just would rather solve them this way, yes?
Yes.
Going across our paper. Is 48 the least common multiple for 8 and 6? No. What is the least common multiple for 8 and 6?
24.
That just makes the problem a little bit easier, but both are correct, right?
Yes.
We feel good?